Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove your bank account from Prizepicks. And it's really easy and simple, guys. First things first, of course, what you need to do is you want to log into your account and you want to tap on the deposit button in the top right corner. And once you are on the deposits page, you should see a trash can icon, okay? You just want to click on the icon to remove a payment method, and if the trash icon isn't there, guys, that means you still need to wait your 60-day waiting period to end, because you can only request to remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. Okay? And there are security reasons with PayPal, thus they do not allow you to remove your account. So you can only remove your bank account or your debit or credit card accounts, okay? So it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.